Namaste, friends. Do you know using the slope formula, we can also find missing points if we know that the slope is and a point. So, before going to start the question, I want to introduce myself. My name is Nisha Thakur, and I am a maths online tutor. I have been teaching for 18 years, and I have worldwide students. So, here is the question. Find the value of x between the points this and this with slope 2 upon 3. So here given this point and second point incomplete. Okay, here we have to find out x value. So same formula we will use slope or m equal y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Okay, here we can put all values whatever here given. M value, it means slope 2 upon 5. Okay, this is we can say this is x1, y1, let x2, y2. So what is y2 value? 6 minus y1 value 2, x2 value x minus x1 value minus 3. So write in parentheses. Negative number always write in parentheses. Okay. 2 upon 5. 6 minus 2, 4. And this is x plus 3. Minus minus plus. Okay. Here you can use two methods. One is you can simply make same denominator. So here you have to multiply by 5 and x plus 3. So make same denominator. Otherwise you can cross multiply like 2 multiply x plus 3. Here numerator multiply with denominator equal denominator multiply with numerator. So this method is easy. So I am choosing this cross multiply. If both side given fraction, so you can use cross multiply like this and like this. Okay. 5 times 4, 20. Okay. Now here you can use distributive property. 2x plus 2 times 3, 6 equal 20. So this is linear equation and we can solve very easily. Both sides subtract 6. So 2x equal 14. Now we have to solve for x. So we have to here remove 2. So both sides divide by 2. We get 7. And this is our answer. Very simple questions. Just given values you can put in this formula and simplify for x or y, whatever here says find the value of x or y. So you can simply solve. So very easy questions. If you have any doubt, please ask me. And if you liked my video, so please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to press the bell icon. And stay with me. Bye.